I don't want no smoke. I don't want no smoke. There's a little bit of negative comments in my last video that I didn't ask for, but they're there. And the crazy part about it, I welcome people's opinion because I had my own opinion. And I understand when you're in situations like this, there definitely has to be a winner or a loser. I don't think if Kamala would have won, it would have been the things that were being said. You know, talking about black women being uneducated, the abortions, and all the different things. Because at the end of the day, as per statistics, everybody, all the cultures were getting them, okay? Were and are, okay? And they were getting them because they felt financial situations, sneaky mistress situations, whatever the situation was, bad choice, whatever situation was, okay? But the good part of this, we don't have to fight anymore. And I'm talking to black women at this point, okay? So if anybody else jumps in this video, you're welcome, because, I don't tell nobody they can't come. You're welcome. And, and just for the record, my family is a real big rainbow. We have a host of different. So, one thing I don't have ill will in my heart. But a lot of the comments were really, really rough. But this is just confirmation that the video that I did make and what I did say was, I guess, facts, okay? Or just true, or just more people may agree with what I said. Everybody doesn't have to, but majority of people that, I can't even get it out. The majority of the people that watched the video kind of, liked it. So, black women, hey girl, we don't have to fight anymore. That's the beautiful thing. This will be my last video in regards to this. Not unless something else comes up and we just have to address it. But I don't normally do videos like this. You guys know I keep it real cute with makeup, talking about women over 40, aging graceful, all the things. We keep it real cute over here. But, I do want women to know that we're thinking about things. And, I wanted to talk about it. But if it's going to cause some friction, we're going to keep talking about it. No, we're not going to do that. But, we're at a point now where we're going to move forward. We're not going to let all this negative energy get into our veins. It is just what it is. And I'm okay with it. Just speaking it. Yeah, but just saying how, black women, we're uneducated too. Whoever said that, as I did read that comment, I have a lot of letters behind my name. I'm a very educated woman. Very educated woman. And I will go back and respond to more. I did respond to quite a bit. But I'm very educated. I don't have 2 letters. I don't have 3 letters. Go ahead and add those up. Okay? I have a lot of letters behind my name. Okay? Oh my God. But in saying all of that, I tell you, it feels good to know. I feel like a veil has been lifted. They say sometimes you can see things through rose-colored lens and things like that. I feel like the lens has cleared, the veil has been unveiled, and it's just what it is. They say don't never give up. Never give up. Because things have progressed through the years. But the way I look at humanity for all. I don't look at humanity for one race. And it's like it's one race. But for those of you who said those comments, who left those comments in my comments, thank you for the comment, because that's what I've been saying. Anything negative, I'm going to acknowledge you, and I'm just going to say thank you for the comment, because I'm not going to spill out anything nasty. And I also want to thank all the women in my comments who came to my aid, when they were sitting here making these comments, thank you. I truly appreciate you. We just gonna be real classy. That's it. We're gonna be real classy. We're gonna keep it real cute. Because that's just what we do. And if anything negative comes in there, Because, you know, my thing is this. It takes two to tango. And if any negative stuff is left in there, let them. Just say, thank you for commenting on Kelly's video. Thank you for commenting on my girl's video. Support that black woman. Support that black woman. I love y'all.